Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Here we have my Alycon 5031 Spanish handcuffs. These cuffs have a fixed rotating hinge. This still affords some movement, but not a lot. As part of its anti-shim, it uses two small pawl with a very strong spring behind them. This is backed up by a half tooth on the bow that snags your shim. As previously mentioned, it does feature an open mechanism for its double lock feature. It features anti-bump by utilizing a plastic double locking bar. The anti-pick on this requires both pawls to move simultaneously. This proves challenging inside an exceptionally tight keyway. Let's see if we can't pick the double lock open with a bobby pin. First off, remove the plastic off the end. Then bend into an L shape. Here I'm using the anti-shim to make my tool. I insert the pin into the opening until it makes contact with the tooth. I then apply a bend. This I have found is perfect for opening the double lock. So place the pin into the keyway and wiggle it around into position. Feel for the bar and push along the length of the cuff. If you slipped, don't panic. Check to see if the bar moved by looking at the open part of the mechanism. If it has moved a bit, then inset pin and finish its movement. Now, because it has so much anti-shim inside, let's get a shim inside it. The tolerances are tight. The opening is minuscule. The shim I am using is 0.3 millimeters. It does take a little help from the bow for it to travel all that distance to the pawl. Done. Now for the second cuff. Apologies for the dodgy angle, but I am trying to find a way to best showcase handcuffs. I may have to get a tripod. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you all next time.